I seek advice from my mentor every month. I am seeking a new apartment right now. I have just sought help from a lawyer. I have been seeking the truth about this for years. I sought shelter from the storm yesterday. I was seeking my keys when the taxi arrived. I had sought permission before I made the change. I had been seeking a diagnosis for months before the doctor found it. I will seek a second opinion next week. I will be seeking sponsors for the event all week. I will have sought out every witness by Friday. By June, I will have been seeking funding for this project for a year.